Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love eating protein oatmeal for breakfast, specifically with the use of protein powder. But a lot of you have come to me recently asking for breakfast ideas without the use of protein powder because maybe you just don't have it on hand, or it's too expensive, or you just don't like using it. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making a bowl of oatmeal that's high in protein, will keep you full until lunch, but doesn't use any protein powder. This is a super easy recipe, and it has a sort of secret ingredient that you probably wouldn't expect. And of course, as always, I'm going to be throwing in some tips and best practices throughout the video, so make sure to stick around. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel. And with that, let's get started with the recipe. So first thing you're gonna do is grab a bowl and add your quick oats. Next, you're gonna pour in some unsweetened almond milk. Of course, you can use any other plant-based milk you have on hand, but this is just what I happen to have in my fridge. Now add in some liquid egg whites. I would highly recommend just buying one of these cartons of egg whites as opposed to cracking the eggs and separating the yolk and the egg white. It's just tedious, and it's just a lot easier. So you're gonna give that a mix, and then you're gonna microwave it. I put it in for a total of 2 minutes, but I checked it after 1 minute, stirred it a bit, and then microwaved it for another minute again. You're basically gonna microwave it until the egg whites are cooked, so until it looks like this. Don't worry if it's looking a little weird / dry right now, because the other ingredients we add in it are gonna make it delicious. Next thing you're gonna do is add some unsweetened cocoa powder. I made this a chocolate oatmeal recipe. Of course, you can make it any flavor you want. Add in some sweetener as the next step. I use Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, so this is a 0-calorie sugar substitute. Of course, you can use any other brand, but if you want to buy this, use my discount code FIT15. Now we're gonna add in some biscoff spread. Of course, you can just sub peanut butter if you don't have biscoff on hand, but if you're in Canada, I'd highly recommend buying some of this stuff on Amazon. It's amazing. Next thing you're gonna do is mash some banana with a fork and then pour that in. Make sure to use ripe bananas, otherwise they're gonna be really difficult to mash. A way to quickly ripen bananas, if you only have green ones on hand, is to put them on a baking sheet while they're unpeeled and then bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. So next we're gonna mix up all the ingredients until it looks like this. Might be a bit difficult to mix. And then lastly, we'll add in the secret but not so secret ingredient, which is cottage cheese. So I know you guys might be thinking, like, why are we adding cheese into oatmeal? But trust me, you literally can't even taste it, and it boosts the protein by so much. It also gives it a really cool texture. So we're just gonna mix that in thoroughly, and then add your toppings. So I chose to add sliced bananas and a bit of biscoff drizzle. And now we're done, and we can dig in. Time for a taste test. I love anything biscoff, so this is gonna be great. You can't taste the cottage cheese at all. So like, if you're not a fan of cottage cheese, it's totally fine. It's just gonna add some protein. These are delicious. I'm so happy I made like a chocolate biscoffy flavor. Of course, you can make any flavor that you want, but this is superior, clearly. So good. I'm gonna finish this and then go to the gym. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna love my other breakfast recipes. So check out this video up here. It has 3 high protein breakfast ideas, and then this one up here has a pancake recipe without protein powder. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as always, as it really helps my channel. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.